Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today in this video we are going to learn about how to log in to First National Bank on your Android device. But before jumping into the video, make sure that you are subscribed to our YouTube channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos from us. Now, in order to log in First National Bank, make sure you have downloaded the application on your Android device, and also make sure that your device is connected to the internet. Then open First National Bank on your Android device. After opening, it will ask you for your username and password that you previously registered. Enter a registered username and password that matches your ID. Then press the login button. If you forgot your login password or you are having any problems with your login, press forget login, and then it will take you to another page and will ask you for your personal information. And if you remember your username and your password, then enter a username and password, then press login button. Then you will be successfully logged in to the application. I hope today's video was helpful for you. If so, like this video, comment down in the comment box if you have any questions or feedbacks. We will be back soon with more tutorial videos. Till then, goodbye.